Hello everyone, welcome to SSLC revision classes day 12. Today let us learn the topic tenses. One more question. So there are 12 types of tenses mainly in English. So here are the four columns. So first column indicate tenses, second column indicate positive sentences, third column indicates negative sentences, fourth column indicates yes or no questions. So in present, first type present simple. I prefer my coffee black. Negative sentence. I don't prefer my coffee black. Question. Do I prefer my coffee black? Second type. Present continuous. She is listening the music now. She is not listening the music now. Is she listening the music now? Present perfect. It has rained a lot lately. It has not rained a lot lately. Has it rained a lot lately? Present perfect continuous. She has been singing a song. She has not been singing a song. Has she been singing a song? Second type past. In that first one, simple past. We watched the news last night. We did not watch the news last night. Did we watch the news last night? Past continuous. I was learning German last year. I was not learning German last year. Was I learning German last year? Past perfect. He had left when I went to the club. He had not left when I went to the club. Had he left when I went to the club? Past perfect continuous. They had been being friends since childhood. They had not been being friends since childhood. Had they been being friend since childhood? Third type future. In that first one, simple future. They will study maths. They will not study maths. Will they study maths? Future continuous. They will be chasing you. They will not be chasing you. Will they be chasing you? Future perfect. By next week, they will have earned lots of money. By next week, they will not have earned lots of money. Will they have earned lots of money by next week? Future perfect continuous. I will have been shopping on Tuesday. I will not have been shopping on Tuesday. Will I have been shopping on Tuesday? We'll continue the remaining part in the next class. Thank you.